is my website swiftshaw.com, and my Kiki and web chat is also swiftshaw. If you want to get more pictures about my products, please visit my Instagram swiftshaw. And today I'm going to sell you Adidas EG Boost 750 glow shoes. The most amazing part is the also that will glow in the dark. Okay. Now let's check the ugly side of these shoes first. Okay, continue to check in the another part, the front part, and another side. Okay, check and check this part, the back, and this part. Okay. I will take once to introduce the details for you. Okay. Take a look of the tools here, and if you can touch the apples, you can feel the letter. The materials is really soft, and all the apples and besides the laces and the regular leather is the same color. Do you think that will make this look like more simple and clean? Okay, let's check the regular. And you can see here, here is the Adidas logo here. And remember that on another one here is the another logo. Let's check the YZY here. And let's back to this pair, and you can see the laces and the sticking, the colorways are the same, and I think the sticking is just for decoration, because it starts from this part and just to here. Okay, let's turn to another part. Alert, and this part you can see here also has the reclo, and you can check the zipper, and you can see the brand of the zipper. Okay, I don't know if you can see the brand very clearly. Okay, the YKK brand. So the product is really perfect. Okay, let's turn to the insole part. You can see there is the tag letter is said letter this shoes letter is made in China. Okay, I will take the insole out for you, and the insole. Now you can get the Adidas logo here. Okay, let's do my best to show the insole for you, and you can see here are Adidas and EG logo here, and the back is the black colorways, and inside the insole that is the white sticking. Okay, let's turn to the back one shoes also. Do you remember that at the beginning of my video I said that the most amazing part is the also that will glow in the dark? Okay, don't worry, I will show you the pictures after the videos to prove that these shoes that will glowing. Okay, and in the middle of this also that is the white foam. Okay, please check, and you can see here that is the Adidas logo, and another part, another pair that is the YZY logo here. Okay, so much for introduction this pair of shoes. Do you think this pair of shoes is really amazing? And beside the shoe box, okay, you can check here. That is Easy Booster 750. About the color light gray. And inside the box, here are 2 black bags for each one, and the paper, and the black phone. Okay, so much for this pair's introduction. And if you like my product, don't forget to visit my website. Okay, again, my website is swiftshaw.com, and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for your watching. See you next video. And next I will show you the shoes that will glow in the dark.